Assalamu alaikum brothers, how are you? I think you are fine. As you are aware that on daily basis I upload a video at my channel with the different guidance, with different idea through listening, through watching. Sometimes you are perceive money is save, and sometimes you are perceive time is save, and sometimes the idea is such type that you will get a efficient solution of its. Actually, I daily basis in a routine life as and when I feel any problem and when I got its solution. So after wasting my money, after wasting my time, the best solution which I sought, I researched, I upload a video in this regard to help for my audience, to help my brothers. So presently I am the topic which I want to share with you, the persons, the brothers who wants to install some solar panels at their roof, but they have not money, but they have not budget to install it. I want to give some tip to fulfill this desire. First of all, in this regard, I suggest that to complete this task, you should to divide this whole procedure in three steps. One is the solar panel frame, and the second is the solar purchase of solar panels, and third is the purchase of the inverter. As and when you have saving, you manage it in a three step. First is the you construct, you develop a solar panel frame as you are watching. I further suggest that so you install a solar panel, you develop a solar panel frame, efficient solar panel frames, as like in a good gauge, 14 or a 16, as like you are watching that I developed a solar panel with a Gordor. So the first step is the you develop a first frame of solar panels completely. Further, you purchase the solar panels from the market, one, two, three, four on monthly basis as you can, as you have the saving of its, because these solar panels have the warranty, so it's as not problem. So you purchase it, one, two, three, four, step by step. Further, I also necessary to add at this point that these solar panels are also being given by the shopkeeper on installment basis. Some shopkeepers will be available in your area, which will be known to give these solar panels on installment basis. You can also contact and agreement in this regard to purchase it, and further you can also get the some loan from your neighbor, from your family members, from your bank, etc, which the facility you have, which you have available, you can get and chase the target of solar panels from step by step. Further, at the end, you purchase a solar inverter, because my brothers, this whole system of frame, solar panels, as well as inverters purchasing at a times is a huge task. You must be have approximately 5 to 6 lakhs or some lakhs to purchase this whole system at a one time, but due to inflation, due to our budget problems, etc, some brothers cannot bear this expense at a time. So this was the tip that you can divide this whole procedure in a three step. As you are watching that this the frame of the solar panels, this frame cost around about equal to solar panels actual cost. The if I purchase solar panels of 3 lakhs, the frame is also approximately 2.5 or 3 lakhs have been expensed by me. So some teeny expenses, some little expenses adding a step by step. This is a huge expense to install this project. So I suggest to my all brothers or the brothers who has a budget problem, who has the saving problem and wants to install the solar panels, but they cannot meet and facing the problem. So this was my tip to complete this project. And shortly I can say you can manage it in different steps as I stated. So you can, after dividing it, you can enjoy the blessing of the sunlight, blessing of the Allah Almighty. This was the tip, this was the guidance, and this was the message. I think you liked it. If you liked, kindly share it and also subscribe to my channel so that daily basis such type of idea can you meet. Okay, Allah Hafiz, thank you.